Did you know this pen can also be a whistle? I'm gonna separate it into parts. Okay. The bottom piece. Okay, you don't need this writing of the pen. You're gonna need this. Okay. Let's begin with the first piece. This one, the top piece. You see there are tiny holes here. I hope you can see tiny holes here. You're gonna cover it up with your thumb. Okay. You're gonna blow. Okay. And now the bottom piece. The bottom piece doesn't have any holes, so it's fine. You just blow like I did by the other one. And now the body part of the pen. Okay. You see there's a tiny hole here. Just cover it up like this, and you just blow on the top. Just that's all for today.